that little white lie you've been caught in seems to be the last straw. Now there's going to be an eruption. Love's got a lot to answer for. That crack you made, only half joking, has poured salt on the shore. And if there must be retribution, love's got a lot, yes, a lot too. Love's got a lot to answer for. It's not the same as infatuation. It comes from deeper down. It won't be played about with. It won't be pushed around. Told you what's in store. Love's got a lot to answer for. Love's got a lot, yes, a lot too. Love's got a lot to